Now in this video I am going to take another application of the circular motion, that is a bending of cyclist. What will be the angle taken by the cyclist from the vertical to take a sharp turn on the circular road, that we have to find out. So first of all, this is a circular path and this is the center of the circular path. When the cyclist take a sharp turn on the circular path, it will bend at some angle with the vertical direction. So that angle from the vertical direction I have taken y. Now in this condition we are going to resolve the forces. Weight of the cycle plus cyclist acting vertically downward mg. And since this is the point of contact of the road and the cyclist, so this will be the normal reaction at this point of the ground of the road on the cyclist. So this is the direction of the normal reaction of the road on the cyclist, that is r. And since this angle is theta and this is the vertical direction, so this is the same line and this is the vertical direction, so this angle will also be equal to theta. So r is resolved into two components, vertical r cos theta and horizontal r sin theta, because it makes angle theta with the vertical direction. Okay, so these are the forces: weight of the cyclist, r normal reaction of the road. R is resolved into two components, r cos theta vertical and r sin theta horizontal. Since cyclist is balanced on the road, so r cos theta balances the weight of the cyclist. So here I have taken r sin theta is equal to r cos theta is equal to, that will be equal to m into g, balances the weight. Since the r sin theta is directed toward the center of the circular path, so this r sin theta only provides the necessary centripetal force to the cyclist to move along the circular path. So r sin theta is equal to mv square upon r. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Our purpose is to find out theta. So what we are going to do, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, r sin theta upon r cos theta, mv square upon r mg is equal to v square upon r. Now r and r cancelled out, sin theta upon cos theta tan theta is equal to v square upon rg. So this is the angle formula for getting the angle at which the cyclist bends to take a sharp turn on the road.